What is going on, YouTube? I'm here back again with another video. Here's the old 2nd gen. As you can see, standing right here, we have 4th gen mirrors, and these are the upgraded ones with the blinker lights. Okay, and we're gonna swap out these old freaking grandpa mirrors that they don't even work. I'll literally be driving and then they'll get pushed in by the wind like that, or sometimes they'll just flop around like that. So it's time for the well-needed upgrade. I will put a link down below to these 4th gen mirrors. So as you can see, we're in the inside of my truck, and the first step is to take off these 2 Phillips screws right here on the door handle, and there's one right here where the mirror's at. So remove those 2 first. Now that we have everything taken off, basically there's a bunch of little clips holding this entire door panel together, and what you want to do is either use this tool to gently pry it out, or what I do is I just, yank it out with my hands. Alright guys, excuse the mess. I've never taken the time to clean under here, but as you can see, you want to remove this foam cover thingamajiggy, and then you'll access your 3 bolts. Let me let it focus. You'll access your 3 bolts here that basically hold your mirror. So you want to remove these 3, and then should just pop right out. You can see we have the tow mirror out here, and with your tow mirror it comes with these 3 studs that you want to pre-install. As you can see, mine's are already installed, and you're also instructed to add this tow mirror plate to eliminate vibrations, and they include this little foam pad that you just put over the plate. And as I was saying before, I'm gonna have to modify this connector here, because this is for a 24 valve, like 98 through 2002 2nd gen, but mine is a 97, and as you can see, the plug is different. So what you do is you get your old mirror, take this plug off, okay, so you take this plug off, if I can get it to focus, okay, there's just a little pin, like plastic tab, that holds these pins, connectors, whatever you want to call them. You do the same with this one, and you just swap them out, and that's it. Alright guys, so I was testing the mirror, excuse me, and I was wrong. I thought the old the new, whatever these things are called, would fit in the old connector, but it didn't. So what I did was I just spliced the old ones onto the new one, and that's what we got here. And I just tested it and it does work. So now I'm gonna proceed to just putting this thing on. Sorry for the thing ain't focusing. Okay, and sorry for the noise. They were mowing lawn or something out there. I just realized that there's a bunch of background noise on the video. But we're gonna proceed to putting these on, and then we're gonna test mock it, and you know, I'm gonna show you guys that these things do work. What's going on, guys? I'm so sorry I didn't film anything. I was having a hard time putting these things on. It just was not lining up since it's not for my truck, but I made it work, and god damn, what a difference. Looks freaking good. Covered the gap pretty well. That's what I was having a hard time with, because the wire does not come out like on these ones in the middle here. There's like a little hole in the bottom where it comes out, and then you gotta like bend it like this, and then the wire's here, so it leaves like a little gap on the side. But I made it work. Looks really, really good. I will attempt to film this side. It was not easy at all to put it on because of that issue I was having. It wasn't like clearing. These are for a 98 to 2002 second gen. I guess it's a little different. But I wanted these ones because they have the little light, and they don't make them for my truck for some reason. And I want the blinker light. There it is. Damn. Let's see that. Oh, it looks real good. Mirrors look too big on my truck. Guys, there's the old second gen. She's done. I just took it for a drive to see if those mirrors vibrate, and you know what? I'm kind of disappointed. You know, I don't want to tighten the little studs more because I don't want to break them, but they do vibrate. You know, like that, the way they are, they vibrate. So it is what it is. I was going for the look, and it looks way freaking better, that's for sure. Let me just freaking pause right here and just look at it. Let me zoom in a little. I'll just be quiet so you guys can enjoy the Cummins. Look at that. overall this process was pretty easy. I only ran into the issue of the connector not fitting, so I had to splice the wires. Other than that, I did run into a little fitment issue since these are for 99, they aren't for my truck, where the wire is not directly in the middle, it's like down here, so I had to like snake it through here like that, and it kind of makes it difficult to bolt these up because the wire's in the way. And I tried to close off the gap as much as I could here, as you can see, without, of course, over tightening the studs. But there it is. And there will be a part 2 to this video because I do want to install puddle lights right there on my light, so when you open the doors it'll light up like a Force Gen. That's what I want to do to the truck. So yeah, there it is. Let me show you on the other side. It's really freaking clean. It almost looks like a Force Gen. It's my Pole Boys wrapping sticker. It's really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if there was some noise in the background. It was my neighbors. They were like mowing lawn or something. I didn't realize that it would affect the sound quality on the camera that much. Apologize for that, but there's a second gen. I think it came out really nice. I will put a link down below for these mirrors if you guys are interested. These are for 98 to 2002. Mine's a 97 12 valve, but I kind of modified it a little bit to work there because I wanted those blinker lights. I don't want the plain mirrors. Looks really good. So there will be a part 2. Watch out for that. I will show you guys how to install some puddle lights under here so you guys can have like a Force Gen style complete mirror. Alright guys, peace out.